You might believe you understand ancient siege warfare, but the true power of one machine will astound you. Today, we uncover the incredible trebuchet, a marvel of medieval engineering. This weapon fundamentally changed how wars were fought. Its impact reshaped fortresses and military strategy forever. From simple designs to colossal machines, its story is fascinating. Prepare to discover the forgotten might of this mechanical giant. The trebuchet evolved from earlier Roman and Chinese slings. It harnessed gravity and leverage, a brilliant mechanical concept. Counterweights provided the immense force for launching projectiles. Early designs used human pullers instead of fixed weights. The fixed counterweight model appeared in the 12th century. This design offered incredible consistency and power output. A massive wooden arm rotated around a central pivot point. The sling attached released projectiles with devastating speed. This simple yet powerful mechanism revolutionized siege tactics. Medieval engineers continually refined the trebuchet's design. They optimized arm length, counterweight size, and release angles. Famous examples include Warwolf, built for King Edward I. Warwolf was constructed during the 1304 siege of Stirling Castle. It reportedly launched stones weighing up to 300 pounds. Another, Malvoisin, terrorized defenders at Shadow Gaylord. These gargantuan machines required immense resources and time. Building them often took weeks or even months on site. Their sheer scale demonstrated a commitment to overwhelming force. The trebuchet's impact went far beyond physical destruction. It shattered castle walls, opening critical breaches for assault. Projectiles could decimate enemy forces on battlements. Launching diseased animal carcasses spread fear and plague. This psychological warfare was often as effective as physical damage. Defenders faced not just destruction, but also moral collapse. The trebuchet forced new defensive architecture, like concentric castles. Walls became thicker, towers stronger, and layouts more complex. This weapon truly dictated the evolution of medieval fortifications. The trebuchet eventually faced obsolescence with gunpowder weapons. Cannons offered superior range, destructive power, and portability. By the 15th century, its dominance on the battlefield waned. Yet, its mechanical principles remain relevant even today. Concepts of leverage and energy transfer are fundamental physics. Modern cranes and catapults share design lineage with trebuchets. Its legacy as an engineering marvel and game-changer endures. The trebuchet was more than a stone thrower. It was a catalyst for military innovation and architectural change. Understanding its mechanics reveals its profound historical impact. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.